When your dog looks at you, do you know what's actually going on inside their brain? Most people think their dog sees the person who fills their food bowl, the one who takes them for walks, or the one who throws the ball. But scientists discovered something much deeper than that. The way your dog's brain reacts to you is closer to the way a child reacts to their parent than to the way one animal reacts to another. And once you understand what your dog really thinks about you, you will never look at their behavior the same way again. Because every stare, every time they follow you, every toy they bring, and even the way they sleep near you, has a psychological reason behind it. Most owners see these things every day, but never realize what they actually mean. Let's start with the first thing your dog knows about you. And this one changes everything about how dogs see humans. 1. They know you aren't a dog. And that's exactly why they love you. Unlike cats, who often treat humans like big, clumsy versions of themselves, dogs clearly understand that you are a different species. And the surprising part is, they actually prefer you that way. Studies on dog behavior show that dogs are the only animals that will run to a human for safety when they are scared. When your dog hears the door open and suddenly loses control with excitement, it isn't just because you bring food. Brain scan studies found that the smell of a dog's owner activates the reward center of their brain more strongly than anything else. Over thousands of years, dogs didn't just learn to live with humans. They evolved to bond with us. To your dog, you are not just part of their life. You are the center of it. 2. They grab objects because their brains get overwhelmed with joy. Have you ever noticed your dog picking up something in their mouth the moment you come home, then walking around with it? When you come home, your dog experiences a huge rush of adrenaline. Their nervous system goes from calm to extremely active, and their brain needs a way to release that energy. So they grab something to calm themselves down. This is called displacement behavior. It happens when emotions get too big for the body to handle. In that moment, your dog isn't just happy to see you. Holding something helps them stay in control. It's a clear sign of strong attachment. But your dog isn't only reacting to what they see. They are reacting to something you can't even notice. Something your body is giving off without you realizing it. 3. Your dog doesn't just see you. They smell how you feel. Your dog can smell your emotions. And once you understand this, their behavior starts making a lot more sense. Their sense of smell is so powerful that it can detect tiny chemical changes in your body. When you feel stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol. When you feel calm, those chemicals change. Your dog can smell that instantly. To them, emotions have a scent. When you're anxious, they know it before you say a word. Scientists even discovered that dogs can tell when their owner is about to come home by tracking how much their scent has faded. As your smell slowly disappears, the dog's brain starts predicting the moment you will return. To your dog, you are an emotional signal that tells them whether the world is safe or not. And what dogs did during evolution to understand humans even better is something most people never expect. 4. Dogs evolved a special muscle only for humans. Have you ever noticed the way your dog gives you those sad, expressive puppy eyes when they want something? That look feels almost human, and there's a reason for that. Scientists found that dogs developed a small facial muscle that wolves don't have. This muscle lets them raise their inner eyebrows, making their eyes look bigger and more emotional. And that expression triggers a caring response in the human brain. It makes their face look similar to a human baby. This naturally makes people want to protect and comfort them. Over thousands of years, dogs that could make that expression got more attention, more food, and more care from humans. Because of that, the trait stayed and became part of the species. Your dog's face was shaped by evolution to connect with human emotions. But the strongest proof of how deep this bond goes isn't in their face, but what happens inside their brain when they are close to you. 5. You are the signal that tells their brain The world is safe. Have you ever sat on the couch and your dog came over, leaned against you, and let out a long, deep sigh before falling asleep? That isn't just comfort. When a dog looks at its owner, both of their brains release a hormone called oxytocin. This is the same hormone that bonds mothers with babies. It creates feelings of trust, safety, and connection. In experiments, dogs in unfamiliar rooms showed signs of stress when their owner left, but relaxed the moment the owner came back. Psychologists call this secure attachment, and it's the same pattern seen in human children with their parents. When you are in the room, your dog feels safe enough to explore, play, and rest. Your presence actually tells their nervous system that everything is okay. To your dog, you are not just the owner, but the place where their brain feels safe enough to relax. The way they stare at you, follow you, or sleep near you, none of it is random. It's the result of thousands of years of evolution. Once you understand their psychology, you start seeing their behavior in a completely different way. So, if you want to understand what they're thinking, make sure to subscribe. The more you learn, the stronger your bond becomes.